Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to compare the dark mode comparison between the MIUI 12.5 versus the Realme UI 2.0, as you can see friends, and both phones are the Realme X7 Pro on the one hand and the Mi11X device on this end, as you can see friends clearly. So let's compare what is the dark mode between the both phones and which has a better kind of dark mode capabilities and dark mode options as well. And in case if you want to know more details about the MIUI 12.5 and the Realme UI 2.0 as well, there's separate playlists which are created for these two particular UIs, as you can see. So try to check those playlists and you'll get a clear idea about all the features and tips and tricks on both UIs as well. So let's begin this kind of comparison friends. First let me try to open the quickly display settings which is present in both phones. So that is where you can find the dark mode options. So it's the dark mode, these are you can enable here, and same thing goes to the Realme UI as well, as you can see. So in terms of the look and feel, the first option, both phones they're having the same option, light and the dark. So once you are done that one, there is the option of auto switch option which is present in the Realme UI. As you can see, this is a Realme UI. So where you do add the auto switch option, so once you select this auto switch option, so based on your location settings, the sunrise and the sunset, based on those settings, the dark mode will be implemented automatically. So that's another unique thing friends you can set in this Realme UI particularly. So you don't need to select any kind of timings, it automatically sets according to the sunrise and the sunset. So there's one option which is present here, and whereas in the MIUI 12.5, so there's the option of the scheduling the dark mode, so which you will get your own timings which you can choose from, turn on during this time to this time, or maybe it's up to you to decide what time you want to turn on the dark mode. So that's the first option you got. And next let's move to the second option in terms of the more dark mode settings. So more dark mode settings which is present here. Once you click that, so there's a three different options you are getting here friends. So one first option is the enhanced option, so which is the kind which will enhance complete deep black colors. So complete interface will become deep black, and you do also have the medium kind of interface, and this is a complete gray kind of interface, as you can see. So by using this gentle kind of interface, what you will get feel is that you'll get the feel of using the IPS kind of IPS LCD displays. So that is how you'll get this kind of feel using this kind of gentle mode, so which gives you completely a gray color look in the background. As you can see friends, this is how it looks. And if you go to the medium kind of settings, so this is a kind of little bit okay I would say, but I would definitely pick to use the enhanced performance for the better dark saturation colors. So these are the top three options are present in this Realme UI. So let's move to the MIUI versions, what options are present in the top column. As you can see friends, as soon as you move to the more dark options, you do get only two options where you can adjust to the dark mode, adjust the wallpaper to dark mode, adjust the text and backgrounds automatically. So these two will be enabled every time friends. Try to enable these options to get the very good dark mode experience. So other than that, you do get all the applications which you install in a smartphone. So if you want, you can disable each and every application individually, or if you want, you can use them as well. So that is how it works. So right now I did disable the Facebook. So for the Facebook, the dark mode won't be implemented. If you want, you can enable that. So there are certain applications which it works perfectly and which doesn't work perfectly. And it is a Flipkart application which looks like this if you're using dark mode, and in this case you can definitely disable the using the dark mode in this kind of Flipkart application, so which may not look properly if you use the dark mode similar like this. So this is how you will get the control of individual applications in this column. So this is how a really useful feature friends. That is what I like in there. You'll get complete control over what applications you need the dark mode and what applications you don't need any kind of dark mode. That's a very good customization option which you are having in this MIUI 12.5 update. So in this Realme UI 2.0 update, you do have options of adjusting the wallpaper to dark mode, adjust the icons to dark mode, reduce the contrast in low light conditions. Only these are the options which you are having here. And the only problem in the Realme UI 2.0 is that you don't get control of individual applications, where if you want to enable and if you don't want to enable, the system will automatically detect certain applications, and if they are not supported, they won't get any kind of dark mode. So for example, let me try to open the Flipkart application so that you might be able to see the difference for yourself. So it's the Flipkart application friends which doesn't support the dark mode, but by default the Realme did not allow this application to use the dark mode, as you can see. But whereas in the MIUI 12.5, in case if you want to use, you can actually use that kind of option. So you do have plenty of customization option in this phone in terms of individual applications, in terms of setting what kind of application you want dark mode and what application doesn't want dark mode. So in this way you can distinguish as per your needs. But right now in this Realme UI 2.0 you don't get that kind of option where you can select individual applications particularly. So this is a quick comparison, friends. Apart from that, everything is quite common. The wallpaper will be adjusted to the automatically to the dark color, dark kind of backgrounds, and even the icons also will be adjusted to the automatically to the dark background. So those are the those are features which is present in this dark mode in the Realme UI. So adjusting wallpapers and adjusting the icons. So reduce the contrast in low light conditions as well. So this is another thing which is present here. So these are the quick updates, friend, between the both phones in terms of the dark mode optimization. And finally, which UI is the best? I would say definitely I would pick the Realme UI 12.5. Just for the one thing is that you do have control of individual application. This is the one thing which I like particularly in this phone. So this, if the Realme, if they implement same kind of feature in this future updates, so maybe definitely, friends, the Realme is also good. The unique things about the Realme are having this kind of style, what kind of how much level of dark mode you want. These are one unique style which they got. Another unique style is auto switch. So depending on the sunlight and the sunrise, the dark mode will be automatically switched. So these are the two things which I like particularly about this Realme UI. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. Do let me know in the comments below which UI you felt the best and why as well. So I'll see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.